Whirlpool microwave model WMH78519LB repairs. Clear up counter space using this microwave with air fry mode for crispy results right at home. Use grill mode in the microwave to sear meat and vegetables, or use steam cooking to steam rice, vegetables, and fish right in the microwave. Plus, this steam clean microwave lets you wipe away messes simply using water and the steam clean feature. Repairs. For the home, kitchen, and beyond, Whirlpool manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Whirlpool appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Whirlpool microwave is not heating.